Dang. It just be like that. Oh, boy. Winners finals? All right, winners? Winners? All right. Ooh. I didn't know I get to listen to the... Out here, they're just choosing their songs, their music counterpick. Oh, it's Blitz, capital BLZ, and then it's at Onichan, O as in OH underscore, Ni underscore, and then Chan underscore. Okay, let's get right down to it. Just good old even PS2. PS2 ain't even for crap, I'll tell you that. They're creating some separation here. Pipp and Mopn. Gonna have a nice little one-on-ones. Ooh, I never commentated doubles. There's a lot going on. Okay. They both just... Sonido reads the get up with the F smash. I wish that was me. I wish that was me. I'd be reading neutral get up and just miss my F smashes, man. Okay, aggressive recovery by Sonido. Gets his spin dash combos. Get your spin dash combos. Okay. Okay, Mopn. I see you in the back, Mopn. I see you. Okay, nice. When you get the sweet spot of Roy's hits, man, they do hit different. They do, in fact, hit different. Wow. Kamikaze killing Mopn there with a down B. Nice snare, not enough. Good DI by Kamikaze. Okay, they're off stage. What you gonna do? Let's go. Mopn's the only one on stage. Ooh. Pipp is out again. Sonido with the Sonic. Just throw out a hitbox on this Sonic, man. I'm telling you. Spin dash? What is that? Ooh. Pipp not scared to get his shield broken. He was on grenade. It was probably a defensive play when Sonido spin dashes on him. But not afraid to get his shield broke. Like, dang. You gotta protect your boy. Okay, there you go, Mopn. Go off, go off. Lucky Roy got hit, because that might have broken his shield just straight up. Okay, you go off. Yoshi run off. Okay, he's got his jump. He does not have his jump. Up B to recover. Meanwhile, Mopn was recovering, managed to get the hit on up B, and just says get off to Sonido. Ooh, Pipp up airing his team. Nice back throw. Y'all are just carried. Go off. Ooh, what? I mean, he was at 170, but let's go. Okay. You need to get rid of Sonido's stock right now. Okay, there you go. Now, I would say it's even, but it just depends on who gets hit and who gets out. Like, let's go. Okay. Okay, get wombo comboed. Does he not have a jump? He does have a jump, okay. That's nice, that's nice. Jump. Jump. Okay, he needs to land safely here. No, don't roll. Don't. Boy. Ran up on him. Ran up on him, get F smash. Oh. It's alright. Sonic F smash is like deceivingly, it's just, it's so deceiving. It's like, you think it's strong, you think it's not gonna hit you, you think he's not gonna angle it up, you think he's not gonna angle it down, and it just kills you. I'm sure y'all don't want Lilat. Sonic does well on Lilat. Small stage, but Mopn is a hater of Lilat. So I don't think you want Lilat. See, what you do want is probably... Huh? Oh, Twitter, it's at Onichan, OH_KNEE_Chan. OH_knee, you know, the knee, _Chan, like 4chan. Like. Let's go. Back at it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. We got town. We got town. Nice big stage. They can run around. The platform extensions here could potentially 0 to death you. You can set up nice team combos like that. Okay, lay him down. Yoshi B. Let's go, let's go. Okay, Sonido ran off fair. Just trying to recover here. Okay. Who's gonna do what? Mopn. Mopn just gave up the ledge trapping opportunity to attack Sonido. And now they have the center stage. Okay, nice F2. Challenge them, Mopn. Challenge them. Let's go.
That's why I'm here. Hello, everyone. My name is...
Everybody needs a buddy.
Yeah, everybody needs a buddy. Hey, we got that back air coming out.
I recommend being a little loud so I can hear you.
A little loud? Yeah.
Yeah, a little loud so I can hear you.
Is this good? It's good?
Yeah, this is
all right,
a
sick.
little louder.
Okay, a little louder. I gotta put it up to my mouth, Ben.
No, it's
like right up in my mouth.
There you go, right there.
All right. Sonido and Kamikaze, are they both from Georgia?
Yeah.
All right. We got quite a lot of people. We were just short of being a ranked C tier. Yeah. We got a lot of people here. Looks like Sonido and Kamikaze are pretty getting. That's a lot of in the lead.
Okay,
I guess.
Nikita,
There we go.
Nikita edgeguard opportunity. Oh! Mopn jumped. He would have gotten shield poked.
Almost taking out Sonido, getting into the last stock. Oh, I thought that was
the edgeguard. Throw out a hitbox. Anything. Get scissor kicked, man. That's what I like to call it. The scissor kick.
Team Sketty Milk is in trouble. Oh, that could have shield broke.
Nice F tail. Whoa, that killed him.
Sonido on the last stock.
Did he do an aerial? Like shift his hurt
don't
box?
know.
Oh,
Sure Kamikaze is just styling on him, just constantly doing down Bs.
It's a Yoshi, man.
They might be able to take this back. As soon as I said that.
It's okay, Mopn. No, Mopn, no. Oh my gosh. If he would have nared him into that. Okay, nice.
Okay. He's not dead yet though.
Nice.
This is gonna take a miracle if he wants to come back.
It is gonna take a miracle, but I mean, I want to hold out for my boy Mopn, but
yeah.
like, I feel like this can get stopped by just a back air.
Oh no.
Back air. That should have been a setup for S smash.
Yeah, that's
forward tilt.
That'd be it. And they take game 2.
Is this a best of 5? It is. It's winners.
Yes,
it's
should
winners
be.
finals.
Winners finals. Yeah. Let's go. The winner of this. So I guess the winner of this will move on to grand finals.
Yup. Winner side. Obviously.
Winner side, grand finals. That's
side.
a big advantage.
Yup. So we got.
Wait.
City.
Does that mean Chili and Murph are in losers?
Yeah, my boy Chili and Murph
Ooh.
did lose. They lost to Pipp and Mopn. Pipp and Mopn.
All right.
Yeah, that's okay. They can. Their story hasn't ended. The run.
Nope, not yet. They've guaranteed third place though, and that's great.
That is great. Ooh, ooh. Let's get it. Is it a big stage, small stage?
I didn't see the stage. Oh,
Back to
PS2.
Two?
PS2.
Okay. Who won here?
2-1. Let's see
Okay,
if
let's
Mopn and
go.
Pipp can make something
Let's
happen.
go.
Whoa!
Did he
Okay,
spring up
okay. Wow, wow. That was a very, very early stock, putting them immediately in the lead.
Okay, y'all just need to recover, play smart, get y'all's reads. F smash on kill percent. Like, just get a random F smash read. Let's go. Team
Might not be-
Mopn and Pipp.
That might not be the best option, but it's something. Honestly, it's something.
I know it's. Okay. I see you. Wow.
Let's go. Side B killing it like
Roy side
something.
B killing like that. 80
Kurt killing real
to
early.
100.
Let's go.
Okay,
Also
get your
scared.
combos. Get your combos, Mopn.
Oh, wow. Hey, Sonido, though, he's down to stock.
Yup. Sonido Kamikaze just taking the lead. I feel like nobody just wants to attack this Yoshi like throughout the games.
Oh,
because
no. Mopn on
Kamikaze
his
is
last.
just holding on to his 3 stocks since
Yeah.
forever. Nobody wants to deal with the Yoshi.
And Mopn is on his last stock. This was a
Ooh.
fairly quick game. At
Oh,
least.
no, it's okay. They got share
There goes
stock.
the Yoshi.
They got share stock, but Mopn does need to
Yes.
make the best of this.
But then again, Pipp is on at like a very high percent on the
Let's
second
go.
stock.
Get your combos. Get your combos.
They need to play really careful if they want to win this. They're both off
They
stage.
do. Pipp recovering, using the Cypher hitbox to say get off me. Look at these. I feel like they're just messing up their edge guard opportunities. I know it's a doubles game and like you're just gonna get pressured from the opponent
It's tough.
teammate, but like they're missing a lot of their ledge trapping and just pressure them.
Yeah.
Nice up tilt.
Smash isn't just a fighting game, it's a mind game.
Hey,
It's all about like what's in your head. If you have a great mindset, you're gonna do great. If you have a bad mindset, you're gonna do bad. That's just how it be.
That's how it be. But it's also
And that's-
just wow. And he can't take a stock. I don't know when Pipp died, but
But he gets a normal get up read.
there you go. Now he
But
can
not
ledge
killing
trap.
Sonido just yet.
Now he
needs
can ledge
to-
trap. And Snake has great frame data, so he
He
can
needs-
just up and over, but he's getting wombo comboed right
Oh
now.
my god. He needs to take out Kamikaze as soon as possible.
That's facts. That's facts. He does need to take out Kamikaze.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Oh,
The Cypher
Use
saving it from that
Cypher,
downbeat.
Cypher, though. That was kind of that was great actually. Ooh. Air dodge. Air dodge Cypher. They don't want to approach this.
Okay.
Ooh,
He
Now
can
he
do
needs
this.
to take out
Yes.
Sonido.
Take out Sonido, and then he has
And
a
then
chance.
it's a 1v1.
Yes.
It's still
And
gonna be
knowing
crazy.
Pipp,
Okay.
Pipp is
no,
fantastic.
I was like,
He's
is that
a
Yoshi
great
gonna
player.
jump up?
Oh,
F tilt. F tilt takes it 3-0.
dang.
That was great though. That was
Good
great.
good job from
But now
our homies in Alabama
now
plus Pipp.
and Mopn and Chili and